I'm going to show you how to create customer invoices with the Fiori app and transaction codes in SAP S/4HANA system. My name is Nuno Dias, and I've been working with SAP since 2001 with my main focus in finance area. I work as an SAP FICO contractor. In case you want to reach me out for projects, please find my LinkedIn ID in the description of this video. If you are just now reaching to this channel, its name is SAP at a Glance, and the aim is to share SAP knowledge. Therefore, do not forget, subscribe to this channel to receive new videos on a weekly basis. The transaction code F-22 is still present in SAP S/4HANA. This transaction is prior to the SAP version 4.5 and is still in use in SAP S/4HANA. The other transaction code to create invoices in the SAP GUI, it is the FB70, which came with the version 4.5, is still here, and it was known by that time as a SAP Enjoy screen. Why? Because it had everything in the same screen as we are going to see it now. And also we have a Fiori app to create the customer invoices. However, this Fiori app is an emulation of the transaction code FB70, as we are going to see in a few seconds. And now, without any further ado, let's start and let's go to the system. Now we are in the SAP GUI menu, and then we need to go to accounting, financial accounting, accounts receivable, document entry, and then we reach to the first transaction code F-22. Going to open the transaction codes. So in here, we are going to insert the date for the posting that I wanted to do it. I'm going to put this in the past. Then we have the document type. Then we have the company codes. The period is going to be updated automatically if I don't do anything. And then the currency of my invoice. Just remind that we are creating an invoice directly in a file. You can create invoices in SD and then they get integrated in a file automatically. Then we have here the posting key 01, which is for clients, and we are going to put the client number or the customer number. So I'm going to press enter, and then we go for the other screen, which are going to put the amount. There is a lot of segments that you can populate, which we are not going to explore in this video. And then we are going to put the GL account for the posting. So this is our GL account. And then I'm going to press enter. If you see GL account here, I'm putting the data now to post this line item for the GL account. I'm going to insert star, and I need to put the cost center because it is a P&L account. I'm going to make entry, and then I can show you that if we go here to more, we have the cost, we populated only the cost center, the profit center and segment came, and functional area came by default because this profit center is assigned to this cost center in the master data. And then this segment is assigned to the profit center and also the functional area, just to show you that this is coming by default. In here, we are going to simulate. When we simulate, we see this is my business partner, customer, and this is my account. So everything is ready to post. I just need to click here, and then the document has been created. I can come here, document, and I can do display. So when I do the display, I'm showing the document itself. If I double click in the line items, I see what's in information I added. If I click again on this one, I see further information, the cost center, and then this data that we have populated. If we go click there, we get the header of my document, which is showing the transaction code that was posted behind. So this is the first option to create the customer invoices. Then we go to the FB70, which is the transaction code that came with the release of SAP 4.5, and is still there. I double clicked. It was called the SAP Enjoy because, as you can see, we have everything in one screen. And in the other one, we need to jump 4 screens to insert the data. If you are enjoying this video as me doing for you, please make a like to us. So here we are not going to create the invoice on these transaction codes because we are going to jump for the Fiori app. Now now we are in the Fiori app Launchpad. This is our app, create outgoing invoices. I'm going to click. As a reminder, if you don't know how to navigate in the Fiori Launchpad, you can find the link in the video to learn how to do that. If you struggle how to find Fiori apps, there is another link to see how to make it. So as you can see, this Fiori app is an emulation. What does it mean? When we go here, we see that the Fiori app called create outgoing incoming is a SAP FICO, which means is an emulation. Basically, it's a copy of the transaction code FB70 and is transformed in the Fiori app. If you see here, if it was a SAP UI5 would be exclusive of the Fiori app, as I always mention in my videos. So now here we have the same thing, the editing options. I mean the same thing because we haven't seen in the other place. So if we see here the editing options, we can make more fields to be displayed. But I'll just go back because I wanted to change first my company code. Okay, it's good. And now BRL, the currency. So now I'm going to see, first of all, we cannot see much than customer invoice. There is an option here that I wanted to show you, quite easy to see it. We can display document type ready for inputs. If I change this, just I wanted to change use master. Just I wanted to show you that now if you see, I can choose any other type of document types. We keep it on customer invoices. And then we are putting our customer. So this is our business partner customer. So I'm going to insert the posting date, copy paste, inserting the posting date. I don't need to fill in any of these dimensions. And here in the GL account, I'm going to insert the GL account which I want to post. That's my posting. I'm going to put the amount there, the amount here, the amount here. And now we need to find the cost center. We need to add a cost center in search. So here I have the controlling area. I have my company code. I'm going to search the cost center if I don't know it yet. I'm going to choose this one. Okay. And then from here, if you see that we have here my customer, the address, I can go to the master data if I want by clicking there. And then what we are going to do is to simulate this. So this is our simulation of our document. And then we go and we make a posting. So the document has been posted. If I go there, I go to document, I go to display. And then I'm entering in the display, in the Fiori app display document data. And I see here the document that I have posted. If I click twice, I go inside of the document, I click more, and I see which dimensions were populated for this document. Now you know how to create customer invoices using the Fiori app and the transaction code in SAP S/4HANA system. Thanks for watching this video. You can find the next video in the description of this one. Please do not forget, subscribe to this channel to receive new videos on a weekly basis. See you in the next video.